Hi, my name is Kinga.
And I'm Kris, and this is our home on wheels.
Okay guys, we are doing this for the third or fifth time. Yeah, but it feels it feels kind of awkward. Yeah, but why we decided to build our van?
We always loved traveling, and our biggest dream was connecting work and travel. So we are trying to develop our careers as a freelancers. I'm a videographer.
And I'm a photographer. The first time we tried van life, it was in California.
We spent 3 weeks traveling with a bunch of friends in a huge RV. I think it was 30 feet long, so it was really hard to drive it. But we had super fun traveling through the beautiful state of California.
We love surfing, so van life gave us opportunity to sleep on the spots and surf in the morning, so it was amazing and we just loved it.
This was probably the first time we realized we would love to spend our lives living van life. So before we started the build, I spent like 200 hours looking for good solutions, for good parts. I started ordering, and then I thought I was ready to start the build. I had a plan, and I was planning to finish the whole van in a month, maybe 5 or 6 weeks, but it was not always going as I planned it.
Not always. Like building the van, it's a complicated thing to do.
It is. But after 7 weeks, the van was ready for our first trip. Okay guys, enough talking about us. Let's just show you the van.
Let's do it.
So this is 2012 Citroen Jumper, the highest version and almost the longest one. It's L3H3, really good base for a camper van. It has strong and reliable motor. It has 180 horsepower, so it's really strong. It's diesel and it's fuel efficient, so it's a perfect one for us. I will show you the back of our van. This is the really important part of the van, as it's our storage system, it's our power supply system, and it's our water system. So right there you can see we got nice surfboard straps installed on the door. It's really convenient as it allows us to transport 2 surfboards. Not longboards, but it's up to 7 feet long surfboards fit here. So right there we got our power supply system. This is fully off-grid van, and we got a solar panel installed on our roof. It's 340 watts. It's enough to charge the battery during the day. The battery itself, it has 200 amperes, and it's enough for hour 2 to work on our laptops for all night long, to heat our water and to heat the van inside. And on this side we got our water system. This is a tank for clean water. It fits 100 liters, and the tank for dirty water, it's installed underneath the van, and it also fits 100 liters. So it's enough for us for 2 or 3, maybe 4 days without charging water. There is additional small tank. It fits 15 liters of clean water, so this is kind of emergency tank. It's good to have it. And this one, this is a really nice and strong drawer. We keep a lot of food here, some tools, and the things we are not using on everyday basis. we can now move inside the van. One more cut. As you could see, it's really cold outside today, so it's really comfortable to finally move inside the van. This is our cozy living space. Behind me you can see our bed. It's 140 centimeters wide and 190 centimeters long, so it comfortably fits 2 people. We got small sliding window here with curtains and some storage space where we keep our clothes. Really spacious. And this is probably my favorite place in the van, the kitchen. We cook a lot as we eat out only once or twice a week. We got nice and big sink over here. We got gas stove, big fridge, gas bottle underneath the sink. And this is our control panel. We got water level indicators, both for clean and dirty water, power indicator, water pump switch, inverter switch. This is the water boiler switch, and these are lighting switches. This is our bathroom. We got shower here with hot water, exactly 5 liters of hot water, which is heated up by the boiler. It's under the kitchen sink. We got small sink here, we got mirror and removable toilet. We decided to put removable toilet because it's really small and it's easy to remove for the time when someone is taking the shower. Then we put it inside again. The toilet works really good and the shower works really good. We spent a lot of time in the van already and we didn't have any problems with the draining system. And we are taking showers every day, 2 of us. So a lot of water going through the draining system. We also got sliding door. We really like that idea, that solution. And it's strange because there is no place you can buy them in Europe. And we had to order them directly from the US. That was painful because we had to pay double the price because of the shipping. This is our single passenger seat and it's really comfortable both when we are driving and when we are camping. What we needed the most was the room for our gear and our stuff, so we got a lot of storage space in our van. Under our sofa we got 2 power outlets, we got 2 USB ports, our heating system, which is Chinese heating from AliExpress. It works really good. Right now it's 2 degrees outside and it's 16 degrees inside, and it heated up in like 15 minutes, so it's really efficient. And this is our table. As you can see, you can adjust the height. Right, like that. And it's movable. So I can use it over here. You can use it from the sofa, or you can share. Really smart solution. I love it. But we are not using it a lot, to be honest.
Okay guys, I think that's it. We showed you the most important parts of our tiny home.
Feel free to join our adventures on our Instagram accounts, linked below. And hopefully the situation with the pandemic will get better in the near future, so we could meet you on the road.
See you guys.
Stay safe.